Hey everyone, welcome. Let's talk money. Specifically, we're diving deep into the psychological pitfalls, the mental traps that keep people stuck in a cycle of financial struggle. We've all been there, that impulsive purchase, the fear of investing or comparing our lifestyle to others. These aren't just bad habits, they're rooted in our psychology. The good news is, once you're aware of these traps, you can start to avoid them. Knowledge is power, right? By understanding the psychology behind our money habits, we can make smarter decisions, break free from limiting beliefs, and start building a solid financial future. So in this video, we're dissecting 5 common psychological money traps that could be holding you back. We'll explore how they affect your financial decisions and, most importantly, how to overcome them. Stick around to the end for some actionable tips you can start using today to improve your relationship with money. Let's be honest, instant gratification is tempting. That rush you get from buying something new, that immediate satisfaction, it's hard to resist. But here's the catch: instant gratification often comes with long-term financial consequences. Think about it. That daily $5 latte might seem harmless, but it adds up to over $1,800 a year. Those impulsive online purchases, the treat-yourself mentality, they drain your bank account and keep you from reaching your financial goals. It's like choosing to eat the marshmallow now, instead of waiting for the bigger reward later. This trap keeps you stuck in the moment, sacrificing your future financial security for fleeting pleasure. But here's the thing, you can rewire your brain to prioritize long-term thinking. Start setting financial goals, big or small, and remind yourself of them daily. Visualize achieving those goals. How will it feel? That feeling of accomplishment, that's your motivation to resist those instant gratification impulses. Delaying gratification isn't about deprivation, it's about making conscious choices that align with your financial well-being. Think of it as investing in your future self. By shifting your mindset, you can break free from the instant gratification trap and start building a solid financial foundation. The scarcity mindset is like a constant state of financial anxiety. It's that nagging feeling that there's never enough money to go around, that you're always one unexpected expense away from disaster. This mindset can lead to poor financial decisions like hoarding money, being overly frugal, or even avoiding investing because of the fear of losing it all. Living with a scarcity mindset can create a self-fulfilling prophecy. You focus on what you lack instead of focusing on opportunities for growth. This negative thinking can prevent you from taking calculated risks, exploring new income streams, or even negotiating a higher salary, all because of the fear of losing what little you think you have. It's time to shift that perspective. Abundance, not scarcity, is the key. Start by acknowledging and challenging those negative thoughts. Are your fears based on reality or just assumptions? Focus on what you do have, your skills, your experiences, and your potential. Remember, wealth is not a fixed pie. It's about creating opportunities and embracing a growth mindset. Instead of seeing limitations, look for possibilities. Invest in your education, network with others, and remember, taking calculated risks is crucial for financial growth. We live in a world of curated social media feeds, where everyone seems to be living a life of luxury and abundance. It's easy to fall into the trap of comparing ourselves and feeling inadequate. But remember, social media is just a highlight reel, not real life. Keeping up with the Joneses is a recipe for financial disaster. You end up chasing someone else's definition of success, often spending money you don't have to impress people you might not even like. This constant comparison can lead to a never-ending cycle of debt, envy, and dissatisfaction. Here's the truth: your self-worth is not tied to your net worth. Don't let social media dictate your financial decisions. Instead of comparing yourself to others, focus on your own goals and aspirations. What brings you joy? What truly matters to you? Define success on your own terms, not based on someone else's curated online persona. Remember, true wealth is about financial freedom and living a life aligned with your values, not about impressing others. Break free from the comparison trap and start building a financial future that's authentically yours. Fear of failure is a powerful emotion, and it can hold you back in all aspects of life, especially when it comes to your finances. It might prevent you from investing, starting a business, or even negotiating a raise. The fear of losing money, making the wrong decision, or being judged can be paralyzing. But here's the thing: failure is a part of the journey. Every successful person has faced setbacks and learned from their mistakes. In fact, those failures often lead to the most valuable lessons and ultimately, greater success. The key is to reframe your perception of failure. See it not as an end, but as a stepping stone. Embrace the learning opportunity. What went wrong? What could you do differently next time? Each experience, whether positive or negative, provides valuable insights that can help you grow. Don't let fear hold you back from reaching your full potential. Remember, the biggest risk is not taking any risk at all. By embracing calculated risks and learning from your experiences, you can overcome the fear of failure and achieve financial success. Here's a harsh reality. Financial literacy is not emphasized enough in our education system. Many of us graduate without a basic understanding of budgeting, investing, or managing debt. This lack of knowledge can have a significant impact on our financial well-being, leading to poor financial decisions, costly mistakes, and missed opportunities. Think about it. If you don't understand how interest rates work, you're more likely to fall into credit card debt. If you don't grasp the concept of compound interest, you're missing out on the power of long-term investing. Financial literacy is not a luxury, it's a necessity. But here's the good news. It's never too late to learn. There are countless resources available, books, podcasts, online courses that can equip you with the knowledge and skills you need to take control of your finances. Make financial education a priority. Dedicate time each week to learning about personal finance. Start with the basics, budgeting, saving, debt management, then delve into investing, real estate, or whatever interests you. Knowledge is power, and in the world of finance, it's the key to unlocking a secure and prosperous future. We've covered a lot today, from the allure of instant gratification to the crippling effects of social comparison. Remember, these psychological traps are not unbeatable. By acknowledging their existence and understanding their impact on our financial lives, we can start to break free from their grip. Take some time to reflect on your own financial habits. Are any of these traps holding you back? The first step to change is awareness. Once you identify your patterns, you can start to implement strategies to overcome them. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. It starts with making conscious decisions, educating yourself, and adopting a positive money mindset. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content on personal finance and building a secure future.